Hi, I'm Sachin. I'm from Haldwani, Uttarakhand, and I've done my graduation in 2016 in a BSc Bachelor of Science. And since then, I was preparing for different government exams like SSC, banking, state pieces, and all. And together, I've been worked as a teacher in different coaching centers. Also, I used to give home tuitions as well. But last year, I've decided to switch my career in digital marketing. So I bought this Digital Vidya CDMM course and I've completed it, and yeah, now I'm looking for job. When I was searching for which online institute should I choose for digital marketing, I got to know about the Digital Vidya. So, and during this research phase, I got to interact with some of the alumni of Digital Vidya. They give very good reviews about Digital Vidya. So yeah, that's why I choose Digital Vidya. Internships were very good. So it was like whatever we have learned in the core module, we practice them in the internships. So yeah, it was very helpful. Yeah, definitely the certifications like Google Ads certification and HubSpot certification. These are definitely going to be helpful for fresher like me. They will definitely add a lot of value in my review in my resume. The trainers here, especially Mr. Gurpreet sir and Mega ma'am, they were very helpful and they clear each and every doubt of every student. And the course itself, the CDMM course is designed really well. Its assignment and internships of the tasks are very well arranged. So yeah, definitely I would recommend it.